What's going on, guys? Thank you for checking my video. Today we're going to be doing a video on headlight restorations. Currently I have a GS350. Headlights need to get replenished. I just bought this car like a couple weeks ago. But it's applicable towards any lights though. It's not just for Lexus. You can use it for any car, either a truck, bike, or whatever you want to do. It's applicable, so you're good to go. There's plenty of reasons why you want to restore your headlights. First off, it's for safety purposes. You know, increasing visibility when you're driving on the road at night. This kind of safety hazard. Also, as well too, for natural appearances. You know, you want to make sure your car look real presentable. It doesn't look real old. Like you take care of the vehicle, and also to save money. Because if you want to buy headlights, that's probably depending on what car you got, it's like $200 a piece. So it's like $400 to get headlights, unless you go to local junkyard or something like that. And my headlights that I was looking for about $500. And I'm currently in Florida right now, so excuse me for veering off the camera a little bit. So the sun is kind of beaming on me a little bit. So, but pretty much what I'm going to use, I'm going to be doing the two-step process right here. I think my headlights are a little more severe than that. They give you three options. They give you the light, moderate, and you get the severe one. I chose the moderate one because I think that was a better option, because I didn't want to use like sandpaper or any other external equipment that I might use, because one, I'm not a mechanic or nothing like that. So it is my first time kind of doing the headlight restoration, so I didn't want to do all that. I want to do the cheapest option first before deciding if I want to do sandpapering it down and all the other stuff I've seen on other videos. It's kind of too much. I didn't want to do that. So as you can see, I did a masking tape on there. So it's pretty much to protect the paint. Pretty self-explanatory. And hopefully this job is pretty easy. I've seen a lot of people doing it. So first, we're going to clean off the headlights right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some water and just kind of clean off the residue dirt on there real quick. And no, I could use a microfiber tire, but I'm just doing a quick wipe over. I'm not doing nothing major with it. So yeah, this kind of lightly, just kind of scrub it, just kind of get the dirt off, kind of just pre-clean it. Even anything you do in general, whether like you washing a car, you always want to scrub. You always want to scrub down. It's kind of this excess dirt, so you don't want to clean. You don't want to put cleanliness on top of dirt. You don't want to do that at all. And I'm going to also rub the fog lights too. So I'm doing both. All right, cool, nothing major. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to dry this off with a microfiber tile right here. Just kind of dry it up a little bit. Alright, so that's step one. Step two, now we go to the kit. So based off the instructions, oh yeah, before I even say what comes with it, so you get a headlight coating. This is what you do second. I just pulled this one out first. I know you can't see it. This is what you put on after you finish cleaning it up. Just kind of just putting on the base and everything like that. And then this is what we're going to use right here, the cleaning solution. So you don't have to do any mixes or anything like that. What I've seen on the instructions, all you have to do is just pour it on this little scrungy thing, whatever this is called. I have no idea. And then you just pretty much just do it in a cycle of left and right motion. So this is what we're going to do right here. So they say spray or put a quarter. I don't know what they say do. Put a quarter size amount on here. So here we go. So I did right here. So as you can see right here, I'm going left and right. I'm trying to cover in everything right here. Get every single part of it. I had moved the car over to a different spot because I really wanted you guys to see the difference from one side to the other. So on the left side, I did almost 2.5, borderline 3 coats on here. So check this out right here. Totally different. Look at that. Now look on the one I'm about to do in a few moments. Look at the drastic difference. That's why I wanted to move it over, because I did another recording and I couldn't really see the difference because it was a massive glare on there, but it's a real big difference on here. What's up, guys? So I'm pretty much gonna do the driver's side of it. So I'm redoing the whole process. Well, I can't really undo the other side, but this is a little better lighting, so you can see more of the contrast of the before and after, because you see this now more the yellowish one, because I don't know if on the driver's side, passenger side, that if y'all can see the difference on there after the before and after. But once I moved it over here, it was more obvious. So I'm going to do the same process over here. So I'm going to just quickly just go through this one, and I'm going to get to the coating part of the portion of the video. All right, so pretty much I just finished wiping this on the driver's side. So we're pretty much just letting it sit for like another few more minutes. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to do the headlight coating as well. So it's pretty simple. Well, it's not simple because I'm reading the directions. Is that make sure you have a mask on, you mask around it, you know. Oh, so that's the timer right there, 5 minutes, so I can start applying it right now. So pretty much what you'll do is you'll apply a medium wet coat over the headlights of the entire surface area, and then just let it sit for like 3 to 5 minutes, and then you're going to apply another coat on there for another 3 to 5 minutes. After that, it's going to be fully cured after 24 hours, so just let it sit, and I'm going to show you the final results in the next few minutes. Another 5 minutes has passed away, so now we're gonna spray the second coat on here. Alright, so I just finished applying the second coat on here, so I'm gonna wait another 5 minutes and I'm gonna show you guys the final results. Now my lights are finished. See, they're gleaming. I don't know if you can see it through these. My car pretty much looks like it's fresh off the lot. Overall, this will take, if you're a beginner, it'll probably take you about 30 to 35 minutes. But if you're like an expert, it'll probably take you like 15 minutes top to do it. I highly recommend getting that two-step process. It's two-step kit cleaner instead of like the sandpaper, because I only needed was like two coats and everything was good. Everything was super easy to do. The car looks brand new. And if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and thank you guys. I'm out.